I would like to introduce the 2008 Armbruster Family Christmas tree.
Fabulous.
What's going on? What's that behind you? Is that the Christmas tree, Jay? No? I thought you said it was the tree. Can you say hi?
Hi!
Wave. You striking a pose? Here's the tree. Got the lights on it, about ready to decorate it.
Cheese! I look it! I do!
And what do you got there in your hand?
An envelope.
And what is it?
A party card.
For what?
For a party.
What party?
Snowy's party.
Who's Snowy?
A snowman.
Yeah, how'd you get him?
I won
How'd you win
a
him?
game
Where at?
at the muffin store.
Yeah, what'd you do at the muffin store to win him?
Use Dad's money.
You'd be a good witness on the stand. You don't answer the question asked.